Section 4. Automating business processes with Lightning Process Builder. In this section, we are going to take a look at Lightning Process Builder introduction. We will start using the Process Builder, building processes for our Health Awareness Program app. Introduction. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is Lightning Process Builder and why to choose it. Process Builder is an advanced and more powerful workflow tool that helps automate business processes without writing single line of code. For this, actually, we have workflows, workflow rules, and workflow actions. Then why should I choose Process Builder? In workflow, we have 4 actions. They are assigning a task, sending an email alert, then field updates, outbound message. Outbound message is the only feature available in workflow, which is not available in Process Builder. That is one limitation. Coming to the Process Builder, I can have these many actions. Along with this task creating, email alert, field update, I can use Apex code. I can create any record, not only a related record, also I can create any record. I can launch a flow, I can post to Charter, and I can call another process into one process. Then I can use a quick action and I can submit it for approval. Of course, update record. How I can say the Process Builder is advanced and more powerful? We can do all the actions of workflow rules, of course, except outbound messaging. Then field update. Coming to workflow, you can update the same object's field or related parent high level. Coming to the Process Builder, you can update the related children's field also. That is very cool feature here. Then task. Workflow, only task under that record. Coming to the Process Builder, you can create any record, not only the task record, any record. Then I can define Lightning Process Builder as multiple workflow rules in single process. Then a process, a Lightning process can be called in another Lightning process. That is also another cool feature.